Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on Syson's training course. In this training session, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case, if you're looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda, what the trainer is going to cover in this Syson's training video. What is Syson's? That is the introduction part. Basic course content. Certifications of Syson's. Required prerequisites. Why one should choose Maximus trainer. What are the job opportunities available for Syson's? Maximus introduction. Corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits. Conclusion. And lastly, how to register or how to enroll with us for the Syson's training purpose. What is Syson's? AP is interface AI, which is the first cloud technology that builds it easy to jumble data and creates analytic apps to implant in. Syson's is a self-service problem-solving and reporting tool that lets anyone build an interactive control panel and reports in just a few minutes. Syson's is a supple business intelligence (BI) solution that allows advanced tools to control and support business data with problem-solving, visuals, and reporting. Syson's Cloud permits you to station a complete cloud-based business intelligence platform that's owned totally by the business units that need it in a simple and cost-effective way. Syson's is a commercial product with a price tag on software, but its total cost is still lesser than compared to any other open source solutions. Moving on to the next, we have the Syson's course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you what is going to cover in this video. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics of Syson's. The topics are Overview of Syson's, Introduction to Elastic Cubes, Connecting to source data, Managing Elastic Cubes, Managing widgets, Filtering dashboards and widgets, Viewing dashboards, Managing and sharing dashboards, Syson's emails, Syson's pulse and alerting, administration, user management, Elastic Cubes management. So far, I have shown you here is the main course content. Basically, what the trainer has prepared for you for Syson's training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the certification details of Syson's? In Scisense courses, our real-time experts will help you to understand the usage of Scisense Server Console for managing the running Elastic Cubes. You will have the great opportunity to become professional Scisense BI developer after the completion of the Scisense certification training. To understand and implement this amazing tool for your business needs, Maximus will provide you the industry-based Scisense certification training. Here is the details of prerequisite, that is, who all are eligible to take part in Scisense learning session. Candidates should know how data works and how it can contribute to building a business. Otherwise, no such prerequisites are required to attend Scisense online classes. Next, we have why Maximus trainer? It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter expert from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in this field. They will tell you real-time industry sizes implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of Scisense. The trainer will not only cover those topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make you project ready so that the candidate can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the Scisense session. They will eventually guide you for the Scisense certification exam also, so that the candidate can pass the exam with an ease. What are the job opportunities available for Scisense across the globe? If you are searching for a job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I have already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 30,936 job opportunities across India. Locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 11,518 job opportunities for Scisense. Then I can see Delhi, where there are 5,681 job openings and 4,807 openings in Hyderabad and many other locations available. Let me see how much package they are offering. Let me see how much offer. I can see 16042 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 11393 who all are ready to pay 15 to 25 lakhs. Let's see which are the companies in India hiring for Scisense. Accenture being in the top, where there are 975 job openings and many other big companies are also hiring for Scisense across India. And if you're looking for job opportunities across USA, then Dice is the best platform available. Let's have a look at Dice. Sorry. And if you're looking for job opportunities across USA, then Dice is the best platform available. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn, today there are 464 job openings. I repeat, 464 job openings for Scisense. Let's see across the globe who all are the companies hiring for Scisense. I got to see Amazon being in the top, then followed by Bolt, Freshworks, Firebolt, GitLab, Beam Software, etc. These are the top companies hiring for Scisense across the world. What are the top locations available? Currently, Germany being in the top for Scisense. Then comes Slovakia, Poland, United States, Canada, Mexico, etc. We have already gone through all these top companies in Naukri, Dice, as well as in LinkedIn. And the names of all the top countries we already got to see from all these 3 job portals. Why one should choose Maximus Training Institution? Maximus Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company, Maximus, we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maximus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and Singapore, any other country. And also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided Scisense training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of Scisense from Maximus? Customization of course content can be done as per the company's project requirement. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of Scisense training. Maximus corporate training program help employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits from Maximus? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry-specific subject matter experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer before the starting of the Scisense training. Each candidate will easily get to know the Scisense certification exam process in details. On concluding today's session, I can say that Scisense is a business intelligence platform that lets you join, analyze, and picture out information they require to make better and more intelligent business decisions and craft out workable plans and strategies. And for Maximus, I can proudly say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individuals. Scisense training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individuals training, Individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. But arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that Sisense has great market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training, course completion certificate, Sisense certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All these options makes us excellent and first choice for learning Sisense training course. For any further information, or if you want to enroll with us for Sisense training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxmonus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here, and the concerned person will immediately get back to and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Sisense, to join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full Sisense training session with MaxMonus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.